welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at the topic of plants to products. Let's first look at something that we have covered previously, which is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. We can use carbohydrates as food. We can get sugars, but we can also get starches. So we can have food such as fruits, but we can also have food such as bread and pasta. We can also use carbohydrates as fuels. And as we've studied previously, we can use fermentation to turn the sugar in carbohydrates into alcohol. We can also use distillation to make more concentrated alcohol. Alcohol can also be used as a fuel. Another use of plants is for plant oils, such as sunflower oil and rapeseed oil. We can use plant oils as fuels, and we can also use them for food. We can extract different compounds from plants, such as fragrances. We can then use these in cosmetics, like soaps. We can extract colour compounds from plants, which can then be used as dyes and for natural food colourings. Compounds extracted from plants can also be used as the basis for medicines. Around 30% of medicines have some form of extract from plants. This is what we will focus on for the rest of this video. Pause the video now and copy this table. Complete the table as we work through the rest of the video. The first plant we're going to look at is the foxglove. Foxglove can be found in Europe, Western Asia and Northern Africa. It contains a compound called digitalis, which is toxic if consumed directly and was used as a poison. However, digitalis can be used to make the drug called digoxin, which is used to treat heart failure and high blood pressure. The discovery of the compound was by a Scottish doctor, Dr. William Withering, in 1775. However, the plant had been used for both therapeutic and poison purposes for a long time before that. Our next plant is the bark of the willow tree. Willows grow in the northern hemisphere. It contains a compound called salicylin, which is known to treat pain and fever, but also causes gastric issues. The use of willow bark has been around for over 3,000 years. For example, the ancient Egyptians used willow bark to treat fever and pain. However, they did not know what the active ingredient was. The active ingredient was found in 1828. By 1838, salicylic acid had been synthesized from crystals of salicylin from willow bark, and by 1897, aspirin had been developed. Aspirin has less gastric issues, but still treats pain and fever. Our next plant is meadowsweet. Meadowsweet can be found in Europe and Western Asia. Like willow bark, it contains salicylates, which can be used to treat pain and fever. Next, we're going to look at opium poppies. They grow in southern Europe and northern Africa. They contain a compound called opium, which is an analgesic which relieves pain. Opium poppies can be used to produce morphine and heroin. Morphine is used as a pain-relieving drug in hospitals. Our final plant is the Conjona plant. This is grown in South America. The bark of the plant contains a compound called quinine. Quinine is used to treat malaria, but it is also added to tonic water to give it a bitter flavour. The bark of the tree can also be used to stimulate appetite. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you found it helpful. Please remember to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. You can also follow me on Twitter at MissAdamsChem and Instagram MissAdamsChemistry for updates on new videos and flashcards throughout the year. Bye for now.